Hello, do you want fix the error oops it's too popular right now, please try again later in Mart? Okay, we are going to fix this error, and the first step we are going to the settings of your phone, okay, and we are going to the general, and here in your storage of your phone, okay, you see, okay, if you have the more storage or no. Okay, the second step, we are going to the apps, and here we are going to the Mart here, and if you clear cache, and the third step, we are going to the Mart, and you eliminate their app, okay, and we are going to the App Store and install. Bye bye.